Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can crop images in the Affinity Designer in 2026. So let us get started. So head over to your design or canvas on Affinity, insert the image by using the image place tool here on the left hand side, located on your device, the file in JPEG or PNG file format for example, and position it here on your canvas. So I have already done that, as you can see. Let us go over this example icon. What you want to do is navigate to the vector crop tool here on the left hand side. Select it, then click into the given object. So let us go with this image here. Let me zoom in, and you will see these corners and edges here. So what you want to do is click into any of these and then adjust the cropping like this, and that's it. So if I navigate back to the select tool, the cropping will be applied. That's the cropped image. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.